Good morning students, I am Akanksha, your computer teacher. Today we will do exercises of chapter 7, Basics of Multimedia. So let's start. I am going to start with words to remember. First one is collection. Collection is a group of objects. Second one, animation. Animation, that is movies, videos and computer games in which drawings of people or animals seems to move. That is called animation. This we have discussed in our previous video also while discussing about the chapter. Next we are having microphone. Microphone is a device that is used for recording sounds or making voice louder. So these also you have to do in your notebook. Now we will do question answers. Our first question is, what do you mean by multimedia? So children, multimedia is a collection of text, graphics, sound, animation and video clips. Multimedia is a collection of text, graphics, sound, animation and video clips. Our next question is, write some uses of multimedia. So here are some uses of multimedia, that is number 1, educational purpose, number 2, training students and workers, number 3, playing games, number 4, playing music and movies, and number 5, creating advertisements, glow signs and presentation. So these are some uses of multimedia. Our next question is, what do you understand by Windows Media Player? So answer is, we can use Windows Media Player software to play a CD directly or to play a song or a movie saved in our hard disk. We can use Windows Media Player software to play a CD directly or to play a song or a movie saved in our hard disk. Next question is, write a short note on components of multimedia system. So components of multimedia system are, number 1, a CD or DVD drive to insert CD. Number 2, a sound card and speaker to produce sound. Number 3, color monitor for displaying video. Number 4, microphone and headphone to record and listen to sound. So children, these are some essential components of a multimedia system. Our next section is long answer question. So the question is, what are the steps to play a movie in a Windows Media Player software? You have to write down the steps to play a movie in Windows Media Player software. So the answer is, the following are the steps to play a movie. Step 1, click Start button. Number 2, click All programs. Step 3, click Windows Media Player. Step 4, in Library pane, look for the movie that you want to play. Step 5 is double-click the movie in the Details pane to play it. The file start playing. So these are the steps by which you can play a movie in Windows Media Player software. Next we are having multiple choice questions. Our first question is, which of the following is used to make a cartoon film in a multimedia system? And the options given to us is camera, animation, and both of these. So the right answer is animation. Animation is used to make a cartoon film in a multimedia system. Our next question is, which of the following is or are essential parts of a multimedia system? You have to tell the essential parts of a multimedia system. And the options given to us is CD drive, sound card, and both of these. So both CD drive and sound card, both are the essential parts of a multimedia system. So the right answer is both of these. Third question is, CD is inserted into the CD-ROM dash. And the options are components, drive, button. And the right answer is drive. Now our next section is fill in the blanks. First one is, multimedia is a collection of text, graphics, sound, animation, and video clips. Second fill up is, some of CD-ROMs are auto-run. Some of CD-ROMs are auto-run. Third one is, a sound card is essential for a multimedia system. A sound card is essential for a multimedia system. Next fill up is, children find the programs available on CD-ROMs very interesting. Children find the programs available on CD-ROMs very interesting. Next we are having hot question, and the question given to us is, Raghav has bought a multimedia CD to listen to music, watch movie, and play game. But he doesn't know how to install it on computer. Suggest him the steps to install it. So you have to write down the steps to install a multimedia CD. So the answer is, the following are the steps to install a multimedia CD. So step 1 is, insert the CD in CD-ROM drive. Step 2, open computer icon on desktop by double clicking on it. Step 3, double click the CD icon. The CD opens and its contents appear. The last step is step 4. Now double click the setup icon in the CD contents. So then follow the instructions to complete the installation. So children, you have to do all the questions in your notebook and learn it also. Thank you so much.